How to get rid of urine smell. Vinegar baking soda spray. It doesn't get much simpler than this spray. More often than not, this is actually the one I opt for. It's simple, affordable, and works a goody on bloodstream and urine stains particularly. White vinegar is really a miraculous substance which will get rid of the old accident stains that may have been missed if your dog did a ninjapee behind the bookshelves or something like that. Baking soda is nature's odor remover, and partnered with vinegar, does a fantastic job at eliminating odors. Hydrogen peroxide / baking soda mixture. Hydrogen peroxide is yet another great substance with regards to breaking lower the crystals of urine and taking out stains. Blend it with naturally deodorizing baking soda, and you've got an execllent solution to clean up stains. Vitamin C. Vitamin C is an essential nutrient which contains a lot of antioxidant qualities. Vitamin C keeps the bladder healthy. It over-acidifies the bladder, helping avoid the development of bacteria. Oranges, guavas, pineapples, melons, raspberries, tomatoes, watermelons, and papaya are wealthy causes of vitamin C. Banana juice. Banana juice contains many antioxidants and compounds that hinder as well as get rid of the bladder infection-causing bacteria. If banana juice is unavailable, you are able to change it with a few shredded, particularly inside your morning cereal.